In this chapter, you learn about fiber to fabric. Fabric or fiber. What is the difference between fiber and fabric? Okay, now start. A thin, a very thin thread like a strand from which cloth is made is called fiber. Very fiber is called tantu or resha in Hindi. Fabric means cloth or kapda or vastra. Fabric is produced by weaving or knitting. Long twisted threads called yarn made for fibers. We use various type of fabrics for making our clothes. Our school uniform, shirts, pants, trousers, blouses, skirts, shorts, saris, shawls, blankets, bedsheets, towel, tablecloth, curtains, dusters, etc. All are made from different kind of fabrics. Even the school bags and gunny bags used for storing food grains are made from a type of fabric. Our next point is variety in fabrics. Variety in fabrics, which means if we are going to a shop in the market, we can see large variety of fabric or cloths. Some fabrics are made from cotton, others are made up of wools or silk, whereas still others are made up of synthetic material or man-made materials. Thus, the various type of fabric which are commonly used by us are cotton fabric, woolen fabrics, silk fabrics, and synthetic fabrics. Usually wear clothes made of cotton fabric during the hot days of summer seasons, and woolen clothes are worn in the cold days of winter. The clothes made of silk fabric and synthetic fabrics are the most comfortable when the other is neither very hot or very cold. Okay, now let's us start our what is the story of yarn. Yarn is a spun thread which is used for weaving or knitting fabric. In most simple words, yarn is a long thread which is used for making fabric or cloths. What are fabrics made? Fabrics are made of yarn, which are in turn made from fibers. This will become more clear from the following discussion. Okay, now start the discussion. If we look at any fabric or cloth casually, it seems to be a continuous object. If, however, we look at a piece of fabric closely or through a magnifying glass, we will find that fabric is made of a network of threads of yarn going along the length or breadth of the fabric at right angles to one another. Okay, like this. In this picture you have to see, this is a large view of pieces of cotton fabric. We can see the yarn threads of cotton which make up this fabric, and in this picture a yarn or thread being pulled out from a piece of cotton fabric. Clear? Okay, now let us now find a loose yarn at one of the edge of a piece of cotton fabric and pull it out with our hands. If no loose yarn are visible, we can pull out the yarn from fabric with the help of pin or needles. Okay, we can go on a pulling more or more yarn from the piece of cotton fabric. In fact, the whole piece of cotton fabric can be pulled into a large number of pieces of yarn. This shows that a piece of cotton fabric is made up of cotton yarn. Okay, now woven together. In general, we can say that a fabric is made up of yarn. Clear that? Yeah, fabric is made up of yarn woven together. Woven means threads. Okay, yarn means threads woven together. Clear? Now we have just learned that the fabrics are made up of yarn which is spun threads. We want to know what are these yarn made up of. What are these? Are this yarn made up of? Okay, so yarn are made up of fibers. Yarn are made up of fibers. Clear? Let's us take out a yarn from a piece of cotton fabric. Place this piece of yarn on the table. Okay. Now press an end to the yarn with the thumbs of left hand and scrape the other end of yarn along its length with the nails of right and thumb. Okay. With the right hand and thumb. Clear? In this picture, one end of cotton yarn being scratched with nails, and second picture is cotton yarn splits into thin strand called fibers. Clear? Okay. Now find that the piece of cotton yarn is split into thin strand of cotton. This shows that the cotton yarn of the fabric is made up of still thinner strands of cotton. These thin strands of cotton which make up the yarn are called cotton fiber. That means cotton fiber is made up of cotton yarn. Clear? Which is made up from cotton fibers. From this discussion we conclude that fabric are made up of yarn and yarn is made up of fibers. Clear? Another way saying that it is that fibers make yarn and then yarn makes fabrics or cloth. Clear? This means the basic material for making fabric or cloths are fiber. So we will now discuss the fibers. Okay, in somewhat detail. Clear? Fibers. We have all seen cotton, also called cotton wools, in our home. Cotton is white, soft and fluffy material. If we hold a piece of cotton between our hands and pull it apart, we will see a large number of very thin and teeny thread-like strands in it. Clear? These small and thin strands are called cotton fiber. Clear? So fibers are very thin thread like strand from which fabric or cloth is made from. Some of the example of fibers are cotton, wool, silk, flax, jute, nylon, polyester and etc. These fibers are spun into yarn which can then be woven on a loom to make a fabric or cloths. Clear? Our next point is types of fibers. Types of fibers. Fibers are of two types. Clear? First one is natural fiber and second one is synthetic fiber. Okay.